Hello and welcome. I'm Emma Turton. I'm a medical intuitive and founder and director of Medical Intuition School. So today I'm talking all about the thyroid. And when you have thyroid issues, what do you need to address? What does that mean from a medical intuitive perspective? Now, I want to preface this with if you come to work with me, it's going to be much more specific to you. It's going to be where I look into your thyroid and tell you exactly what's going on and why it's there, as opposed to these are just the themes that come up around this area. So today I'm just sharing what I see in my work as opposed to what's specific for you. So if you want to work with me, you can. Yes, by all means, I do take one-to-one clients. I also have a whole network of amazing medical intuition practitioners that I have personally trained who can work with you as well. So please do reach out if you would like to know how to get in contact with them. So the thyroid, where is it? What is it? What's it all about? Your thyroid is a little butterfly-shaped gland that's located down here in your throat, just below your voice box. And it is in charge of regulating your energy, regulating your metabolism, regulating your ability to burn fat, to create heat within your body, to regulate your heartbeat. It's in charge of your energy levels. It's in charge of a lot of your hormones as well, and that flow on cascading effect of hormones throughout your endocrine system, your hormonal system within your body. The thyroid can become imbalanced. It can either become overactive, hyperthyroiditis, meaning that your thyroid produces too many thyroid hormones and has too big an effect on the body in that way, or it can become underactive, which is very, very common. So your thyroid doesn't produce enough thyroid hormones, and you can get sluggish energy, sluggish metabolism, and a lot of the flow-on effective symptoms from there, like weight gain and low energy and changes in sleep and different things that can happen, changes in hair and things that can happen within your body. So let me know in the comments if this is relevant for you, if the thyroid is your thing. Let me know if you are looking at a thyroid that is overactive or underactive. Hashimoto's hypothyroiditis is one of the underactive versions of thyroid issues here as well, which is relatively common and increasingly so in this world. So what I see, let me tell you about the thyroid from a medical intuitive perspective. This is your center. This is your throat region, right? And I've just talked all about this in Rewire to Release, Change Your Beliefs to Heal, which is the course I've got running live right now. If you want to know about this, type Rewire in the comments below. I'll send you the information after this call. But it's just having the most epic results with people right now. We're having, pain that's been there for years, that's severe, is now gone. We're having acute symptoms within the digestive system that are gone within our colds. Like this is the magic happening right here. And you can be a part of it too if you want to. But the thyroid, this part of your body, your neck, your throat region, is where your plan for your life meets your divine plan for your life. So your soul's plan for your life. It's where everything that you want to control and steer in your life is meeting where your soul's trying to drag you, right? So if you're having issues within your throat, you are at odds with your intuitive guidance. You are at odds with being able to surrender to what your soul is calling you to do. If your soul has been calling you to do something for a while and you are resisting it out of fear, out of worry, out of not knowing which way to go, then it's going to create imbalance within your thyroid and within your throat region. It can also show up as chronic neck pain because that's in this region too. Um, it can also show up with issues with the jaw and teeth because that's also a part of this throat region. But often what happens in the throat, in the thyroid, is that when we are at odds with the way we are being guided to go in our life, it shows up in the thyroid. It can also be, because this is your center for choice. This is your center for choosing the right path for you and then expressing the choices to the universe, to the people around you, expressing what you have chosen clearly and with love. It's not just for communication. Everyone thinks the throat's just about communication. It just happens to be where the communication comes out. You need to communicate your choices with the world. That's what happens within the throat region, right? So communication's just the mode that we use to communicate our choices. If we're still communicating that we haven't made a decision or we're not making a choice and we aren't following our soul's guidance, our soul's pull in the direction that we're being guided to go, then we are not experiencing a happy, healthy throat region or thyroid. So my question to you, if you have been experiencing nodules or lumps within the thyroid, underactive or overactive thyroid, other issues within your thyroid and your parathyroid glands, which are the little glands on either side of the thyroid as well, then this relates to you. Where are you not following what your soul is guiding you towards? Where are you sitting in fear or resistance and a state of not surrendering to where your soul is asking you to go? What is your soul calling you to step towards? What have you been given the intuitive breadcrumbs for that you're pretending not to see? Where are you trying to control the outcome? Where are you trying to steer the ship when actually you never had those controls? It's a dummy wheel you've been holding on to. Control is an illusion. Your soul is calling the shots. The universe is calling the shots. And you've been trying to resist where it's guiding you. What can you do today to take action on what your soul is calling you towards? To stop sitting in resistance, to stop sitting in fear, and to take one tiny baby step towards your soul's path. You're always on your soul's path. But right now, it's like you're kicking and screaming and being dragged along your soul's path. Yeah. The sooner you take action on following what your soul is calling you towards, the sooner your thyroid will come back into a state of balance, because it is screaming out right now to get your attention. It is asking you to stop coming up with reasons to not do the thing that your soul is calling you towards. What action can you take today that steps you in that direction? Curious to know. Let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments if this resonates for you. Can't see your comments. So if you are here live, I apologize. I will have a look after this live has ended and I will answer your comments there. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Come join me in Rewire if you want to shift your symptoms. We are doing some deep, deep shifting work. And you know what? We're going to be shifting the thyroid next. So come on in if this is speaking to you. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Mwah. Bye now.